How to buy the Big Bat Box Bat Chamber online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can buy the 2-chamber bat house from the Big Bat Box. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here at the top you're going to click on bat boxes over here, and once you've done that you're going to scroll down, and you've got the 3-chamber bat box. These are all 3-chamber bat box, and scroll down more, you'll find the Big Bat Barn 3-chamber, and this is the 2-chamber bat box. So you can select whichever option you want. This is the 1-chamber one, so select whichever option you want and you should be good to go. You'll also find the link in the description below for this website, and also you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when purchasing this box. So if I go ahead and click on the box I want, and here I just simply go to buy it now, and here I just simply add the discount code that I can find in the description below. I'll get a hefty discount on the price and I'll save a bunch of money. So there you go. Then you can just simply fill out this form. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.